Okay, the last thing, sorry, it's not the last thing. The next ceiling we're going to do is we need a ceiling in this first floor, because right now this is basically the underneath of the floor, which means you're going to see all the wood joists, which isn't a very good look. So, in this area, we're going to go to the second floor plan actually this time. And we're going to pick the floor. And again, if you can't get this, you can say filter. And now you're going to edit the floor type. So what we're going to do here is we're going to actually add ceiling automatically to the bottom of the entire floor, because there's going to be the gypsum wallboard ceiling across the entire floor rather than in different sections. So of course we're going to duplicate, and we're going to call this gypsum ceiling board. That means we have a wood joist with a wood finish on top and a ceiling board on the bottom. But that's all we did is rename it. Now we actually have to change the structure. And this is going to be a finish layer. And this is going to be your ceiling board. And a 1/2 inch thick. And that's it. Now we should have a ceiling on the bottom of our floor. It's pretty hard to see it, except that you can see the pattern in the view now. It used to be a solid gray. Now it has that stipple in it. Okay, last thing is we're going to put some ceilings on the second floor. As you see, there's only one room here with a ceiling, which is this acoustic. All right, now we're going to go back to the second floor ceiling plan. Make sure you're in the ceiling. And we're just going to add more of this gypsum wallboard and one metal stud, because there's not a floor above the second floor to add to it, so we're just going to add some ceiling on its own. And this one's going to be 8 feet tall. We're going to pick every room in here. Even the little closets. Did I pick that one already? If you don't know, you can go to your 3D view. Oh, I didn't pick that whole area. I'm going to go back to the second floor. And now if I go to my, there we go. Now do I have a ceiling everywhere? I can always hide this roof temporarily. Yep, there it is. Now obviously if you have skylights in there, we would want to put holes in that ceiling to allow for the skylights, but we're not going to address that in this chapter. And that's it, you're done. Just confirm you have a ceiling everywhere.